Thus, the next question of Virgin Kativitu. A man completes a journey in 10 hours. He travels first half of the journey at the rate of 21 km per hour and second half at the rate of 24 km per hour. Find the total journey in kilometer. the midi total journey the end point starting point the total journey the 거기 10 hours na complete 배우면 simple. 아니면 the 두기나 배우진 find the total journey distance define 배우벨 total distance define 배우벨 the 같이 진디 두서진 he covers the total journey in time 10 hours. Then he travels first half of the journey at the rate of 21 km per hour. So first half 세워진 the total distance ले half 인베 half 배우들로 first half the first half the 거기 speed 지나 travel 배우면 세워진 he travels at the speed of 21 km per hour. The second half the he travels at the speed of 24 km per hour. Then we know that t1 the total distance divided by 2 because in the first half se do more first half se watching total distance ki half team be so the t2 the version t2 second half means again t2 d by 2 in second half of the journey. Then we another question about question do so total journey time the 3 hours in sijin total journey time the shishimle the first half ki time t1 the second half ki time t2 ni add pudulu we know that it should give 10 hours kashpe sojin total journey ki time the 10 hours imbe the anbini ngai first ra kash find finish sojin t1 the t2 find pinil the t1 the we know that time is equal to distance divided by speed. So distance t1 the kashmo sojin t by 2 imbe s1 the 21 imbe the calculator na zu be beoji thongla hemor bracket p1 by 2 divided by 21 sojin t by 42 time t1 the t by 42 thopchil the time t2 the beojin second half ki time the beojin t2 by s2 t2 the t by 2 s2 the 24 imbe speed 24 imbe so time t2 the t by 48 imbe the time t1 the t2 thopchi. Now we know that when we add time t1 and t2 it should give total time 10 hours. So the t1 the t by 42 imbe t2 the t by 48 imbe is equal to 10. The let gd command in beojin 1 by 42 plus 1 by 48 is equal to 10. The calculator fraction mode na so be add beodulu 5 by 112 is equal to 10. So g is equal to 10 times 112 divided by 5 224 ml. So that find total journey in kilometer. Total journey di kachim be soji total journey di danga chi chile t se t se mol total journey t be say total journey g ki value di 224 kilometer ml. So total journey di 224 kilometers ml. The question of total time di chindi wale tindi ngachi t1 that to find baby. We know that t1 plus t2 should give 10. Any condition the use baby solve penil. The next question of a boy goes to school at a speed of 3 km per hour and returns home at a speed of 2 km per hour. If he takes 5 hours in all, what is the distance between school and home? Another that a similar question chime. The andi kogi home andi kogi school be shawachin. The first kogi a boy goes to school at 3 km per hour. Kogi the home le school na journey gidelo. He travels at the speed of 3 km per hour. Speed S1 and returns home. The school lebe home na gidelo. He travels at a speed of 2 kilometer per hour. If it takes 5 hours in all, that means to and fro 배우들로 니처럼 더 time the 5 hours take 배웁니다. If he takes 5 hours in all, what is the distance between school and home? The school and home 기반의 distance가 지배입니다. 아니 distance가 또 지배시하게. So total distance school the home 기반의 distance 지배어진 the first case 나 G1 뒤에 G를 용어가 싶어서진 he have to cover this distance home le school 순서 저거에 so distance G배를 되고 the second case 야 school le home 순서 온 거에 distance D D2에 G배 되는 이메일 드루 다 두이 케이스나 total time 디진이 벌레 되는 이베 마치 드루 G1 the G2 find 베베 델레 G1 the G2 add 배우들로 5 hours 진고미 condition 디 use 비닐 아니면 T1 D G1 by S1 G1 is G speed T3 the only G2 deviation G2 is G2 by S2 G2 is G speed is 2 km per hour so that the condition use we know that G1 plus G2 time the total 5 hours in there so G1 the G by 3 G2 the G by 2 is equal to 5 G command 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 G the add 5 by 6 is equal to 5 therefore G is 5 into 6 by 5 so G value 6 km 됩니다. 아니면 distance between school and time the distance between school and time the G beje we know that we got G value 6 km 아니면 school the home 기반으로 distance the 6 km 됩니다. The next question 기반은 two trains A and B are 110 km apart on a straight line. One train starts from A at 7 a.m. and travels towards B at 20 km per hour. Another train starts from B at 8 a.m. and travels towards A at a speed of 25 km per hour. At what time will they meet? 다음에 배워진 two stations station station A the station B से two stations are 110 kilometers apart 아니면 A the B 기반의 distance the total distance the 110 km in bell. One train starts from A at 7 a.m. A 나래 오미기 train 디 파트 조들로 거기 start 감시나 배우면서 7 a.m. 에 start 배우면 and travels towards B at 20 km per hour. The 거기 speed S1 20 km per hour 입니다. The second train दि기 배워진 another train starts from B at a.m. B 레벨 A나 주미기 train दि기 8 a.m. 나로 start 배우면 8 a.m. 나 start 배우면 travels towards A at a speed of 25 km per hour. 25 km per hour na travel 배우면 다음으로 at what time will they meet? time 가림치나로 공이 지가 지순이 메시밀 time 가림치 travel 배우들로 S1 기 time 가림치 travel 배우들로 S2 기 time 가림치 travel 배우들로 공이 지가 meet 배순이 메시메 어느 배우들로 다 어느 케이스나 배우진 the S1 the S2 진이도 the time 디 더 동아치 assumption 집에서 하고 time assume 배셔들로 동아치기 나사 기 트레인 A레 B나 주미기 time 디 T1 배셔진 time T1 디 더 T 배셔진 time T2 디 가시원서진 T-1 시작으로 가시배서진 train 1 디 7 a.m. 나 start 배노 더 나기 train station B start 배미디 8 a.m. 레기 start 배 모습에 아니면도 1 hour 잡콜레고 벤디기 time T1 A start 배미기 train 디기 time T1 디 T 배셔진 B start 배미기 time 디 T-1 시작으로 디 1 hour 잡콜레 잠시 start 벤디기인데 더 다도기나 배워지는 것이 total distance 디시벨 total distance 110 km 이 시베 total distance 디시버진 we can find T1 and T2 T1 the T2 find baby delay the jisumbera total distance 110 km 배워진 we know that T1 plus T2 कोनी add 배우들로 110 km 친구벨 아니 배우들로 T1 the distance find bene기들로 distance the speed times time so S1 the kashimoso 20 kilometers 20 km per hour time the t me so 20 times t me t1 the t2 the version speed the 25 km per hour me times time the t minus 1 s2 times t2 so t1 the t2 톱시 t1 the t2 톱심래 다음과 지기가 시변이 써진 t1 plus t2 should give total distance t 안에배우들로 total distance t 배워진 T1 di 20T में T2 di दानी T2 तातुले expand पे बेशेगिला अने बेवचिन 25 into T is 25 minus 25 into 1 is 25 so 25T minus 25 is equal to total distance T di कंसिमो सोचिन 110 kilometers so 20T plus 25T is 45T is equal to 110 the 25T part about the plus 25 110 plus 25 jome 110 plus 25 is 135 so T is 135 divided by 45 of the T d 3 tobe T 3 tobachin the tongachi T 3 tobachin the 10 AD 3 hours travel beudelu 10 AD time the T 10 AD 3 hours travel beudelu 공이 치수님배 된 비디기 감시 공이 지가 체내기 되는 된 비디 감시 hours travel 배고에서 와진 t-1 hours that means 3-1 2 hours travel 배우들로 공이 지가 치수님배 so the two question di기가 시작스 보면서 와진 at what time will they meet time 가림지기 잡걸레 공이 체님에서 와진 the train a delay 따로에도 b delay 따로에도 train a delay 따와진 train A delay तवचिन कोगी start दी 7 AM ना start भी the कलिमची hours की जब खाली meet भी से वचिन 3 hours small 3 hours की जब खाली meet भी so meet भी नहीं time दी 7 AM 3 hours जब खाली में plus 3 भी होता 10 AM ना meet भी नहीं मिल खोनी चिका दी 10 AM ना meet भी नहीं मिल the 파 트레인 비기 카툴레 따로 SM 베레 텐데 오늘 트레인 비나 배워진 거기 스타트 넘베에서 오진 8am 나 스타트 비 더 공이 넘치님에서 오진 타임 T2 기 잡아래 치님에 타임 T2 디 T-1 보다 3-1 2 hours so meeting time 디 8am 글로 2 hours 겨우들로 8, 9, 10am 아니 배우들로 공이 10am 날로 더 지갑에 시수님을 지가 넘치면서 오지 되네 엠날로 지가 지니면 아나 고신나 배워진 total distance GD 진디 원래된 이게 뱅아지 T1 find pay T2 find pay T1 plus T2 should give total distance G 있으면 안에 condition use pay 등아치 find pay니라 the next question give 배워진 question number 8 기 two cars started from the same point at 5 AM traveling in opposite directions at 40 km per hour and 50 km per hour respectively. At what time will they be 450 kilometers apart? The only same point start pin the only start pin the start pin time condition start pin only 5 AM na start pin two cars started from same point at 5 AM traveling in opposite directions. The G 40 kilometers 파다주는 40 km per hour na 주어진 소소되기 나기 디렉션으로 50 km per hour 나로 주는 스피드 so 다통하지 아니 S1 S2 세시기 S1 S2 ट्रेन जी 50 km per hour नालो ना डायरेक्शन ना जुनो ट्रेन सुसुकी 40 km per hour ना opposite direction ना जुनो the at what time will they be 450 kilometers apart the khoni time kadimchi travel beudulu time kadimchi leptalu 5 am ne start pebe time kadimchi leptalu khoni gi bana distance di 450 kilometers honi imbe symbol 450 kilometers da na bere tanga chigi kachi se wajin the 400 kilometers 50 kilometers leni gi tulu time travel di same bere de mola t1 di t bere de t2 di t bere de the 400 khoni 5 am na same time na start pebe bendig time di ni chera na t g bere de mola da to the chigi na be wajin t di late pe start bendig t minus 1 se jui da to same time na start pe so 450 kilometers apart leptalu khoni gi time tanga chiani logical thinking lan so the khoni time dia 450 kilometers apart leptalu chi gi time t version so so gi time dia t be de ni chara same time na start pe so that s1 the t1 dinga chi topji s1 t1 topsimle the ka chi se wajin total distance the 450 kilometers imbe so the distance t1 the t2 find penila t1 is s1 by times t1 so s1 the 50 kilometers per hour time t1 the t imbe the t2 the version s2 times t2 s2 the 40 kilometers per hour times time the t imbe danga chigi the chi sumbereng the total distance is in the end we know that t1 plus t2 should give total distance t t1 the 50 t imbe t2 the 40 t imbe total distance the 450 ml so 90 t is 450 t is 450 divided by 90 beudulu 5 hours topnul ani beudulu khoni 5 hours travel bevigi shuma 5 hours travel beudulu the khoni gi bana gi distance the 450 kilometers yunim be simil the ani beudulu time kadimchi gi chakole khoni 450 kilometers oni mesojin the 5 am na start be 5 am na start be 5 hours travel be go be 5 hours travel be the khoni 450 kilometers about honi be so 5 am plus 5 hours at be ochin 10 am 10 am jo the khoni 450 kilometers about honi be the na bere the total distance the jin je wale ni be t1 the t2 find be the only t to be t to simle kadimchi time kadimchi gi chakole che chuni be ba ani shebel ani be solution ani be approach ani be oni be